What's going on, folks? Welcome back to Block Party. We are doing the Sonographe SA-120. That means the 120 watts per channel amplifier. This is designed and made by Conrad Johnson. They're out of, pretty sure, Reston, Virginia. Pretty outstanding looking unit. Black on the front, that brushed aluminum black. You've got the oak edges on the oak sides, and then the fins in the back, and it just goes from being like really just conservative in the front to becoming a little bit more aggressive on the sides, to the back just being just straight up at this alpha looking amp. Really great looking design. I think it looked great on a console, or I don't think you really want to hide this amp. I think you want this out displayed, people to see it and everything else. Really nice unit. So we've got this connected right now to a pair of Vienna acoustics. No one wanted them. I put them up on auction starting at $299. Now, yeah, granted, there's a big chip on that. So, but brand new, these things are $1,200. So I figured $300, pretty good price for a pair of Vienna acoustics that work great. So we're gonna listen to them. We've also got it connected to the Kenwood KC992 stereo control amplifier. This is a pretty cool unit. I'd actually like to read more about this unit. There's like different settings you can set as far as volume, and actually it's got an equalizer built into it, so that's really nice. I feel like I wasn't getting like as much out of my units without the equalizer, so I wanted to I found something in a thrift store, so there it is. This got equalizer control, all these other things. Anyways, we're not even showcasing that tonight. Right now we're showcasing this. I've already done a run through of the actual wiring and the components. I would say probably could use an upgrade. It sounds great, sounds fine. No buzz, no hum, which is nice, right? So there's nothing that indicates that any of the components are going out anytime soon. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and throw on some Fur and Elise. We got Won't Forget You by Shoes. It's a remix by Eli and Fur. I said Fur and Elise. Eli and Fur. It's called Won't Forget You, and I'm a huge fan of this track. If you go check out on YouTube, Circly on YouTube, these two girls are like mixing on top in the Alps in Italy. It's so dope. They're outside. They have the drones going over top, you know, high def 4K, super incredible musicians. So let's put them on. Let's see what's going on. And obviously I'm going to get hit with the copyright on this, but it's not a mark. It's just letting me know that, hey, I don't have permission to use this. So I'm not selling anything. I just wanted to showcase just that this thing works. Maybe while this is playing, I can flip this thing around. I think I have enough slack. In case you're always wondering how we're streaming, it's this guy right here connected. So I don't even know if I would tell a difference if I connected like a dedicated streamer versus just using this. I don't know. I think I'd have to be using Tidal or something at a higher bit rate, really. So we're gonna go this way. Amplifier weighs 40 pounds, so I think I have enough slack. Fins are feeling nice. I'm not gonna have enough slack on this edge, so there's that edge. Let's see if we can do a flyover. That's what I mean, like, it goes from being like really low key on the front to going to the back. It's like straight up rocketry back here. Looks really good. Here is the only caveat on this side. It smells like smoke. The previous owner was a smoker. So just a heads up. I've tried to air this out as much as I could. I'm not gonna, you know, I can't throw it in my freezer and put it with some dryer sheets. That's what we do with clothing. It works pretty well actually. Or I can't spray it down with vodka either. That also works really well. Here's the side. Really clean. No scratches, no dings, no dents. I mean, that's just... Yeah, love this thing. Light works there in the front. It's very, I can replace the LED there. There it is. Now I'm just having this bad boy.